Breaking news. A catastrophic natural disaster has struck Venezuela after two massive earthquakes hit the country within minutes of each other, causing widespread destruction, panic, and a nationwide state of emergency. According to preliminary reports, the first earthquake measured magnitude 7.2 and was immediately followed by a stronger magnitude 7.5 earthquake. Seismologists describe this rare event as an earthquake doublet, a phenomenon in which two major earthquakes occur very close together in both time and location. Unlike a typical aftershock sequence, these were two separate, powerful earthquakes. The United States Geological Survey, or USGS, reported that the magnitude 7.2 earthquake acted as a foreshock and was followed almost immediately by the larger magnitude 7.5 main shock. The powerful shaking was felt across large portions of Venezuela and neighboring regions throughout the Caribbean. Cities including Caracas, Valencia, Maracay, Baruta, Guacara, Moron, Yumare, San Felipe, Cocorote, and other parts of Carabobo State experienced intense ground shaking that sent residents running into the streets. Witnesses described scenes of chaos as buildings swayed violently, alarms sounded across cities, and terrified residents rushed to evacuate homes, offices, schools, and shopping centers. In the capital city of Caracas, several structures reportedly suffered significant damage. Videos circulating on social media show debris falling from buildings and crowds gathering in open areas as emergency responders rushed to affected neighborhoods. Authorities have also reported landslides in mountainous regions, blocking roads and making rescue operations more difficult. Infrastructure damage has been reported in multiple areas, including power outages, disrupted communications, and damaged transportation routes. Following the disaster, Venezuelan authorities declared a nationwide state of emergency and mobilized military units, emergency personnel, medical teams, and volunteers to assist with rescue and recovery efforts. Emergency crews are currently searching collapsed structures for survivors, while hospitals prepare for an influx of injured residents. The magnitude 7.5 earthquake occurred off Venezuela's Caribbean coast and initially triggered tsunami warnings across parts of the Caribbean region. Residents in coastal communities were urged to move to higher ground as a precaution, while authorities monitored sea levels and assessed the potential threat. Fortunately, after further analysis by experts, all tsunami warnings were eventually cancelled. However, officials stress that the cancellation of tsunami alerts does not reduce the seriousness of the disaster completely. Experts say earthquake doublets are relatively important.
Se cayeron varios edificios.